Welcome to Oliver and Quinn TV. Today we have a guest. It's my friend EmmaJean.
Hi, EmmaJean.
Hi.
Can you give us a wave? Yay! Quinn, where are we, baby?
We're at the Botanical Garden.
EmmaJean, do you like flowers?
Yes.
Cool, let's see some.
I like colorful ones.
Ooh.
Come on, let's go. I got a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Wow. This food sure does look good. Ooh. It's not ready?
Yeah.
All right.
It's ready. Chico. What does this say, Mommy?
Tulip.
It's a tulip. Tulip. It's a tulip. There must be fish in there.
I don't see it.
Wait, I can see it. It's a worm. I see a worm. It's a worm. What? No, look at you. Look, that is connected to this. Wow. Look at that. Look at a little pink thing in there. What's the white one? Look at this. Well, come on, let's go check out some more. Look, they're blooming. Look, this one's blooming. Look, this one's blooming.
The tallest tower in the world. This is all food.
Oh, you need to talk about this. There's like celery and there's carrots.
Ooh, look at this. Celery.
Wow.
Leeks and carrots. I can't believe this is broccoli.
Oh.
We just saw a butterfly.
Ooh.
And we were trying to catch it, but another butterfly! Taste it, taste it, taste it, taste it.
All right.
I thought we were taking a picture.
Mom time.
Mom time.
Smell it. Sure.
Mommy!
This side.
Yum!
That's a type of moss.
There's animals in here. Here.
Okay.
What do you guys think?
What do you guys think about these dragons?
These frogs are poisonous.
Wow.
Want to do it?
He's helping.
He hooked. I saw that. Oh, there he is. I see it. It's a pink. You see it right there?
Do you see how big it is, Quinn?
Yeah. Wait, I don't see it. It's tadpoles turn into frogs. Right there, and right there, and right there.
And what are the tadpoles gonna do?
Turn into frogs.
See right there up top by the leaf, right there?
They look like part of the leaf.
They're all up there.
Tadpole! I see
Do you see one?
Yes, that yellow thing. I see one.
These are my favorite flowers, poppies. Yay!
There's a pink one over here. There's a pink one right there.
What color is your favorite?
The purple.
Purple?
Purple. Purple and pink.
Whoa.
And there's yellow. These are all my favorite colors. Okay, we are going to see a lake with a big lady. I want to go see it. With that person. No! Oh my gosh, we're doing so bad. You went the wrong way! This is a really cool cave, isn't it? I will take the hot.
This episode of Oliver and Quinn TV featuring EmmaJean. How was the Botanical Gardens?
Good.
Great. What was your favorite part?
My favorite part